Hello, sir. How was your day today?
Not good. Our chocolate company. Sales are decreased in the month of February.
Oh, sir, don't worry. Let's analyze the situation and increase the sales.
If you do, you will get 2 months' salaries bonus.
Now we are going to analyze the decrease in the February month. So to do that, we have some data. Here is the data, sample data of the chocolate company. We can see the preview of the sales company. The salesperson names, country names, product, date, everything we have here. So let's add this metadata. We can also transform the data. We have successfully imported the data. In the data we have amount, boxes, country, product, sales, everything. Now Power BI is excellent to do analysis. Let's take a stacked broad chart. Let's add sales data, salesperson data in the y-axis, boxes separate in x-axis. As you can see, the individual performance of a salesperson. Has done absolutely brilliant job. We can say that is the highest sales done by Sahas Donaldson. And to analyze more, take a stacked column chart. In the stacked column chart, we'll put product. We'll put country in x-axis and boxes separate in y-axis. As you can see, more analysis from Power BI. As I said, Power BI is access to individual performance as in Australia. We can see individual performance in Australia all over here. Yeah, and the individual performance in each country. Sahaj's performance is like this. Another person performance is like this. This is, and we have to analyze more. Mainly, we have to analyze why the February sales are decreased. That's the main thing we have to do. To do that, we have to do some analysis with date. To do what's this? Preparing question answers. Oh, let's delete this one. Right click. No, it's not working. Okay, let's delete this. Okay, delete it. Delete. Okay, delete it. Yeah, okay. Let's take a line chart. In that line chart, with the line chart, we are going to analyze the data. We'll take date, as we have to analyze the situation in the date, and we have to take the boxes shipper. We can see date as year, quarter, month, and day. Let's downgrade the data. That's quarter. For the quarter, we know month. That was month. We can see the February sales are fixed. These sales are decreased in the February. Let's analyze why. Explain the decrease. The Power BI can also explain why the sales are decreased, why is it increased. So the boss asked why it is decreased. So let's see. So we have, here is the analysis of the 34.557% decrease in some of boxes shipped in between January and February. So here's the situation. We can see the salesperson's decrease of sales and the country's decrease of sales. Many of the countries have decreased the sales, and also the product sales are decreased. So we have to concentrate on these things to increase the sales. in the February. That's the thing. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.